Manulife. Rules, regulations, and insurance working process. Manulife is one of Canada's largest insurance and financial services providers. It follows strict rules and regulations to ensure transparency, compliance, and fair customer dealings. Below is a breakdown of its rules, regulations, and insurance working process. 1. Rules and regulations. Manulife operates under federal and provincial laws in Canada, ensuring that its policies and services comply with government regulations. A. Compliance with Canadian regulations. Manulife follows the rules set by Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions (OSFI) regulates federal insurance companies. Financial Consumer Agency of Canada (FCAC) ensures fair treatment of customers. Canadian Life and Health Insurance Association (CLHIA) industry guidelines for ethical practices. B. Key legal policies. Privacy policy. Manulife follows strict privacy laws to protect customer data. Anti-fraud measures. Any fraudulent claims can lead to cancellation and legal actions. Consumer protection. Customers have the right to full disclosure of policy details. 2. Insurance working process. Manulife provides various insurance products, including health, life, travel, and disability insurance. The process follows these main steps. A. Buying insurance. 1. Choose a plan. Customers select insurance, e.g., health, life, travel. 2. Get a quote. Fill in details like age, health condition, and coverage needs. 3. Underwriting process. Manulife evaluates health, lifestyle, and risks. 4. Policy issuance. Once approved, the customer gets the insurance policy. B. How claims work. 1. Submit a claim. Customers file a claim online, by phone, or via an agent. 2. Review process. Manulife verifies documents, medical bills, receipts, reports. 3. Approval or denial. If approved, payout is processed. If denied, an explanation is provided. 4. Payment process. Payment is deposited into the customer's account. C. Managing insurance. Policy renewal. Some plans need annual renewals. Updating information. Customers can update details like address, beneficiaries. Canceling a policy. Policyholders can cancel, but refunds depend on policy terms. 3. Manulife customer support and regulations. Customer support. Available via phone, email, or online chat. Dispute resolution. If a claim is denied unfairly, customers can appeal. Regulated by law. Manulife must follow Canadian laws to protect consumers. Conclusion. Manulife operates under strict regulations and offers a structured insurance process, ensuring security, transparency, and customer satisfaction. Would you like help choosing a specific plan or understanding a claim process?